Well, howdy and welcome to Delbert's Honest RC. I'm making my first official WPL video. So, my collection started with, I would say, quote unquote, unofficial WPLs. I bought this one first as an original white bodied C44 ready to run. It's nothing of its former self. It did have fully proportional steering and fully proportional acceleration on it, which was kind of nice. Uh, when I stripped it down and started sanding it up and getting it painted up with the primer and whatnot, my wife said that made a big mess out of things. So I ran out and tried to replace this one in red, but we ended up with the round headlight version, which is the uh, C44R dash one, and this one had nowhere go steering, nowhere go acceleration. Really stripped down model. Because I was in the process of upgrading this one, I gutted the electronics and the motor and the servo out of it and dropped it into this one so I could give it away, and it was given back. We modified it other than that with the aluminum wheels. Uh, yeah, it's just my camera angle. It looked like that wheel was really crooked, but it's not. They're all plastic, everything. This is the lowest of the low. This is the cheapest of the cheap, and I paid more for this than I did this one. But anyway, so this is my example of what a low-end WPL toys is, because it's got the fully proportional stuff, what they've seemed to move to, so we don't have to worry about ordering those. This was not an official WPL toys. This came from a secondary vendor. This one has been totally upgraded. It's got the 390 gearbox with the solid one-to-one transmission through the reducer. Then it's got portal axles. I switched it back to plastic portal axles. Metal gearing, they sold them as metal, but they came in plastic. Big mess there. We got the aftermarket adjustable links, which I'm still undecided on those. I think that the metal link kit from WPL Toys is better than these, and cheaper, a lot cheaper. So the only thing original on this truck actually is just the frame rails and the body. Everything else has been replaced. And we've got magnets to the shell to hold it down. Right now it's got an 1800. This will fit up to 2200 3S. It's got 180 amp ESC to run that giant 390 motor. It's smoked everything smaller. Smokes motor on 3S, runs fine on 2S, doesn't even get warm. And this is the custom one. And then, this is where it gets interesting. I decided to try a kit because I was told that the kits are much better than the ready to runs. So we bought the C34. And once again, it's been modified. I put the aluminum wheels on it, dualies, and true WPL love there. Got it nice and chromed up. Same under the hood. Same 1800 milliamp hour battery in this one. It's in there really nice. The antenna for the radio coming up out of the antenna for the truck itself. Underneath, once again, got 130 amp ESC to run this 2-speed transmission. It burned up 240 amp ESCs. Right up over here, we got our 3-channel taped up. And this is the MK kit. It came with the original really soft tires with weights. The problem is that with the weights in them, you set it down for any length of time, it gets flat spots. So we replaced it with the metal wheels. Besides, it looks really bitchin'. Not the norm. Dressed its grill up a little bit with some gold and silver. I broke one of the lights, was able to epoxy it back on. You can't even tell. Epoxied really nice. We got the penguin in there that we bought for $3 at closeout at Wally World, Walmart. Fits really nice in there. Really love this kit, but I bought it on Amazon. I shouldn't have bought it on Amazon. Should have bought it direct from the manufacturer. I would have got a free winch. Oh wow, $16 lost on that venture. So we went to the official site, and because we really like it, we decided to get something from them. And today it arrived. We got my order number on here. As you can see, the post office, it's an official WPL. If it doesn't have this, you didn't get it from the factory. But the post office definitely tried to beat it up on both sides. Stabbed it from both directions. So we're going to open this bad boy up. I ordered a bunch of spare parts with this MK kit, and they included a nice little note. Funny story is I ordered this the day before the Chinese New Year, so I had to wait for the Chinese New Year to be over before they shipped it. Look at that. You can definitely tell the difference from them at WPL toys when they come from the factory, because this thing is nice. No indication of it being damaged. And let's see if I got those numbers right. So that was the CK34, the white one. No, this is the CK34. That was the CK44. CK44 in white. This is the C44-KM in blue with my extra parts included, because my understanding is when you order your extra toys from them, they include it all in the same box because of the way that their shipping is set up. I don't even know what I'm going to ask how much of this bubble wrap is going to take. Every pipe in the world sold on it. And you can tell this box is packed. You can see it bulging. See that bottom bulging out from all the extra parts in there. So this is WPL official. What did I do with that knife? Went and lost the knife. Well, maybe dab to it. 1, 2. So I had one gentleman that packed this in my order form. And look at this stuff. I love this. Every bag is individually marked. There's the lid, door panel, short lid. Nope, that's the bed cover. There's the bed. So my extra parts, I got a couple of trays for a trailer for the C24. There's even a shell in here. There's the short lid in back for the conversion. The V3 tires. 3-speed motor box pinions. Let's see. Interior. Oh. Nope. That's part of that one. There we go. We got the springs for the CJ80 when it shows up. I got a canopy for the trailer. Axle shims. Axle covers. Metal WPL trained. Plastic. 360 motor. Ooh, I'm not sure I'm going to like that reduced 360. I might put a 2-speed transmission in this bad boy. Alright, there's its shock kit and its metal. There's the metal axle. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I didn't order those. They threw that in there for me. I got a weight kit. Thank you. Thank you, WPL. You're really cool about that. Now both of them have weighted axles. I just wish that I had, there's that nice little frame. Anyway, there you go. Everybody gets a good look at what we got going. I'm going to put this bad boy together. I think I'm going to paint it hunter green. I want it to be hunter green. I'm not sure if I want it to be blue. No offense, guys. And this 390 motor, that transmission's nice though. I might use that transmission for something else. I don't like these. I do not like these motors at all. They're horrible. They eat ESCs like they're going out of style. Got to make sure you have a cap on them or they'll fry stuff. Just my personal experience with those. Look at this. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it all back in the box like the professional packer did. There's the back end. This is the short wheelbase. So awesome. So there you go. There's a look at what you'll get when you order from the WPL warehouse. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll bring it back when we have everything all assembled and ready to rock and roll. Y'all have a great day.